Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple yet incredibly useful skill, how to add an add to cart button to your Wix website in 2025. If you're running an online store or thinking about launching one, this is a must-have feature. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to give your customers a smooth shopping experience, making it easy for them to select products and move straight to the checkout. So let's dive right in and do this together. Alright, let's start by heading over to your Wix website design dashboard. This is basically the command center for everything you want to change or update on your site. If you're already logged in, you'll likely see your site's homepage or whatever page you've been editing last. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right spot. If you have multiple sites, double-check that you're working on the one where you want the new Add to Cart button to appear. Being in the right workspace from the beginning saves you hassle later. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll spot a search bar. It's usually designed to be pretty obvious, often marked with a magnifying glass icon. This search feature is a huge time saver, especially with Wix constantly adding new features every year. Instead of scrolling endlessly or digging through menus trying to find what you need, you can just type and instantly filter to the relevant tools. Click into that search bar. It might highlight or expand when you do, and prepare to type your next command. Now simply type Add to Cart into the search field. As you start typing, you'll likely see a few suggested options pop up below. Don't feel rushed here. The Wix system is set up to help guide you, so if you see several similar results, look for the one labeled directly as Add to Cart button. If you're wondering why we use the search bar before hunting through the sidebar or design widgets, it's simply faster and more efficient. It's a bit like using Ctrl+F when scanning a document, much less confusing and time-consuming. Once you see Add to Cart button appear in the results, go ahead and click it to select. This action tells Wix that you want to add this specific feature to your page. When you select it, you'll notice a preview of the button, and Wix will show you customization options, things like changing the style or position. Just for a moment, think about your customers and how they'll interact with this button. A clear, appealing Add to Cart design helps encourage visitors to take action, raising your chances of making sales. Now it's time for the most satisfying part, adding the button to your site. You'll just click to add and it will automatically drop onto your chosen page. Wix makes this process almost instant, so if you've ever had to wrestle with complicated code or settings elsewhere, this will feel refreshingly easy. Take a few seconds to drag the button to the spot where it makes most sense for your guests, maybe right under a product or beside your product details. If you don't get it perfect the first time, don't worry. You can always move it around or tweak its style later. And that's it, your store now has a fully functional Add to Cart button. That simple addition can really boost your customers' shopping experience, making your site feel professional and more intuitive. Remember, the easier you make it for people to buy, the more likely you are to succeed. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or run into any snags with your Wix site, just drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.